Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Who am I? A person who is left-handed uses their left hand to write, carry, play sports, etc. What is the personality of a left-handed person? What does psychology say about left-handed personality? What is special about left-handed person? What are some interesting personality facts about left-handed females? Are left-handers more emotional? Check out this amazing left-handed personality test to know the true personality traits and characteristics of people who use their left hand. Number 1. Left-handed people are good at tackling challenges. From the time left-handed people started using their left hand, they learned to overcome the challenges in everyday life. They learned to use their left hand for using utilities, products, and activities in question, which are mostly built for right-handed people in the world. This enables left-handed people to become problem solvers and tackle difficult situations with ease, persistence, and unique creative solutions. They usually have high levels of patience and the will to solve any problem. They usually have a high IQ level and an eye for detail than right-handed people. After all, left-handed people have learned to figure out solutions and use tools to their advantage from a young age, say the time they held their first pencil in kindergarten. Number 2. Two left-handed people are usually more creative and intuitive. Since left-handed people are right brain dominant, it enables them to creative and intuitive. They have high levels of imagination. Since they use their right hemisphere of the brain more prominently, this makes left-handed people more analytical, creative, and verbal, and showcase better language skills. Left-handed people also have great leadership skills. Left-handed people also make good artists, creators, and sportspersons. Left-handed people approach a problem or situation more intuitively. Left-handed people have divergent thinking, which means they will look at a problem with a bird's-eye view and form several possibilities of solutions rather than countering the problem with one logical black and white solution. They tend to follow their creative intuition to process the information at hand. Number 3. Left-handed people are good at sports, competitive, and adaptable. A Northwestern University study has found that left-handed people always have an advantage over their competitors in sports such as boxing, tennis, golf, etc. Rafael Nadal, who is naturally right-handed, learned to play Wimbledon with his left hand. Studies have shown that left-handed people have mastered using their left hand as opposed to the general right-handed population to have an edge over certain skills and activities. They have learned to adapt to their surroundings, which are largely built for right-handed people. Left-handed people have learned to process information quickly and multitask. Left-handed people also have an advantage over typing more words than right-handed people. In some cases, it has also been observed that a left-handed person is equally apt at using their right hand as well, which makes them ambidextrous. Approximately only 1% of the world's human population is ambidextrous. Tell us in comments, are you left-handed? If you like this video, then like, share, and don't forget about subscription of this channel. Thank you.